Here we go. 14-15, Flawless Basketball, one box, random player, number 13. Number 14 is in the store. $8.95. Triple $8.95. Triple $8.95. Well, I'm not gonna peek. I'm not peeking, guys. Right on the top, we got a green Serge Ibaka, 3 out of 5, double patch. Serge belongs to Riches 1. First hit. Brooke Lopez, 7 out of 10. Now and then. That goes to gold 868. Wow, this is rarity. A rarity here. I don't hit very many of these greats auto patches, let alone this early in the pack. We got a Bernard King, 13 out of 25. Very nice. The greats, dual patch auto. Bernard King belongs to the 504 boys. Dual patches. Next up, we got Big Shot Bob, Robert Horry, wearing a Lakers uni, 10 out of 15. Mr. Horry goes to Wow for real, not $, Wow for real. Marcus Smart, rookie auto, 8 out of 10. Going to S. Murphy, 25. Gold. Pretty nice auto patch. Grant Hill, 8 out of 15. Some nameplate right there. Momentous. Grant Hill, going to J-Dog 19. Nice. And another dual patch. This is Kevin Garnett, 4 out of 10. Some T-Wolves patches. KG. Kevin Garnett belongs to Valpo Sweet Spot. Numbered out of 10, Kevin Love, Sapphire. Nicholas Martin with Kevin Love. Go Aztecs. Kawhi Leonard. It's got Defensive Player of the Year right above his name right there. That's pretty cool. And got him holding the trophy. Kawhi goes to Scotchy Black and Red. There you go, Johnny. Nice hit. 3 out of 20. Wow, get out of here, Andrew. And the man hit the encased CP3. Now and then. Clippers and Wake Forest. CP3, 14 out of 20. His brother Cliff watching the break. That's why he's here. Skeen. Skeen, 1968. There you go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Until next time. Get off the blowout forums.